Hi everyone, it's Gigi here from Dawn of Braids, and today I'm going to be showing you a few hairstyles from the new Enola Holmes movie. So I'm first just going to now clip in my hair extensions. Okay, so now that I've gone and clipped in the extensions, I'm just going to make sure it's in a middle part, which it is, like Millie's. To do this hairstyle, I'm going to use a 25mm wand from foxybae and curl my hair in alternating directions. Okay, curls all done. They're looking quite defined. So since I'm going to be braiding them, I'm not going to bother too much about brushing them out, but I'll just brush my fingers through my hair a little bit. Okay, so to do the bun, I'm going to take a section about this big from the front of my head on either side. And then, so the part isn't too immediately obvious, I'm going to tease this bit of hair here. Now I'm just going to take a little hair tie and tie that bit back so it's out the way. Make sure the hair tie is about where you want the bun to be after. Now I'm just going to make sure there's a few little strands coming out of this. Now I'm going to take this section here and split it into two. The bottom section I'm just going to split into two again and just twist it roughly. Take a bobby pin and pin it above where the little hair tie is from before. Repeat this with this side of the hair. Now, making sure we still have the little front framing pieces that we took out before, I'm going to take the rest of that front section and just gently twist it backwards toward the hair tie. And then going to just gently pull it. And again, pin where that hair tie was. Now I'm going to take all that hair from where we pinned it, plus some of the hair from below, and tie it with a little tie. This is really pretty like this, plus if you add a ribbon, you can basically have this hairstyle. But to get the bun, split the new ponytail into two sections. And I'm just going to clip this one to the side so it doesn't get messed up. And I'm going to split this one into two and rope braid it down. And then I'm going to pin that above, first I'm going to loosen it a little, then I'm going to pin it above to cover up the pins from before. Now with the other side of the ponytail, I'm going to take it into a few sections and just create these little loops. I'm then just going to pin these generally around the bun. Just hide this tail by gently putting it through. You can kind of just put it wherever, just make sure it isn't showing. And this last bit I'm just going to rope braid again. So I just went off camera and tidied up a few of the little flyaways, but I think all in all the kind of messy appeal of this bun is very central to Enola's character, so I think that works quite well. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to Cliphair on YouTube and follow both Cliphair and Dawn of Braids on Instagram. See you soon!